Hi, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? Well, on behalf of Sparkle Tour and Travel, I'd like to welcome you all to Jakarta. First of all, I would like to introduce our crew in this bus. My name is Salva Tarisa, you can call me Salva. I'm your guide today. In front of you, there are Pak Bayu, he's a professional driver. Say hi to Pak Bayu. And Pak Umar, as co-driver. Hi Pak Umar. For today's program, we will go to your 5-star hotel, the Ritz-Carlton. Takes around 30 minutes from our location. And now I'd like to take you to tell you with the area and tell a brief safety precaution. You have to fasten your seatbelt and stay seated until we reach our destination. Thank you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here the general information about the Republic of Indonesia. Indonesia is the largest archipelago in the world and small tropical island surrounded by white sandy beach, many still uninhabited and a number even still unnamed. Past the equator, situated between the continents of Asia and Australia, and between the Pacific and the Indian Ocean. Indonesia has a total population of more than 215 million people from more than 200 ethnic groups. The national language is Bahasa Indonesia. Among the most well-known islands are Sumatra, Java, Bali, Kalimantan or Borneo, Sulawesi or Celebes, the Maluku Island or better known as Moluccas, Papua, and then Bali, the world-best island resort with the culture, beach, dynamic dance, and music. Indonesia is an archipelagic country extending about 5,120 kilometers from east to west and 1,760 kilometers from north to south. Indonesia has a total land area of 1,904,569 kilometers, and the Indonesian Constitution guarantees religious freedom and officially recognizes Islam, Christian, Buddhism, Hinduism, and Confucianism. But Indonesia still has many unexplored islands with grand mountains. Despite having the 4th largest population in the world, Indonesia is a place with the largest forest in the world too, after the Amazon. Indonesia has such beautiful flora and fauna. The islands of the Sunda Self, Sumatra, Java, Borneo, and Bali were once linked to mainland Asia and have a wealth of Asian fauna. Large species such as harimau Sumatera, badak bercula 1, orangutan, gajah Asia, and leopard. But numbers and distribution have dwindled drastically. Having been long separated from the continental land masses, Sulawesi, Nusa Tenggara, and Maluku have developed their unique flora and fauna. Papua was part of the Australian landmass and is home to a unique flora and fauna closely related to that of Australia, including over 600 bird species. Forests cover approximately 70% of the country. However, the forests of the smaller and more densely populated Java have largely been removed for human habitat or agriculture. So, ladies and gentlemen, Jakarta is the capital city of the Republic of Indonesia. Jakarta is a huge, sprawling metropolis home to over 10 million people with diverse ethnic group backgrounds from all over Indonesia. The city is divided into 5 districts, namely Jakarta Pusat, Jakarta Utara, Jakarta Barat, Jakarta Timur, and Jakarta Selatan. The term Jabodetabek refers to Jakarta, Bogor, Depok, Tangerang, Bekasi. Jabodetabek area consists of major cities around the capital city. Jakarta Pusat or Central Jakarta is where you can find iconic landmarks such as National Monument, Merdeka Palace, Istiqlal Mosque, which is known as the largest mosque in the Southeast Asia, Jakarta Cathedral, and the welcoming monument known as Bundaran HI. Some of the most prestigious shopping mall and upscale hotel are located right in the area of Central Jakarta. Here you can enjoy the 24 hours excitement of Jakarta. Jakarta Utara or North Jakarta is where Taman Jaya Ancol or Ancol Dreamland is located. It boasts a variety amusement such as Dufan, SeaWorld, Atlantis, Eco Park, and comfortable accommodation. And the amazing historical heritage in West Jakarta is Museum Fathahillah and its surrounding Kota Tua or Old Jakarta district is where you can ride a classic bike to tour the area. The new iconic destination in West Jakarta is the Contemporary Art Exhibition venue named as Museum Macan. In East Jakarta, you can visit Taman Mini Indonesia Indah, the miniature of Indonesia archipelago. You can explore the details of traditional houses and a glimpse of Indonesia's diverse culture in this park. When visiting South Jakarta, make sure to drop by at Setu Babakan and get to know the story of Betawi culture, the native ethnic group of Jakarta. There are a museum and traditional Betawi houses with few activities that you can experience, such as getting to know the traditional dance and music, tasting the local beverage of bir peletok, have a bite of kerak telur, and making small ondel-ondel, the iconic figure of Jakarta. All parts of Jakarta are studded with their own culinary icons and trending coffee shop to spend the day at. Here you can easily find the 5 national foods, namely as nasi goreng, gado-gado, soto, sate, and rendang. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to stay at the Ritz-Carlton Jakarta. It's a hotel, 5-star hotel and skyscraper at Mega Kuningan in Jakarta, Indonesia, and 14 tallest building in Jakarta. It is operated by the Ritz-Carlton Hotel Company. The complex has 2 towers that comprises a hotel and the Erlangga apartment. The hotel was opened in 2005. The building is 212 meters and has 48 floors and 4 basement levels. Construction on the building started in April 2003 and ended in October 2004. The hotel has 278 rooms and 55 suites. The Ritz-Carlton have many facilities such as swimming pool, air conditioner, gym, playground, 24-hour service, restaurant, bar, spa, business service, and many more. And now, I would like to tell you about the currency now in Indonesia. Indonesia is used Indonesian rupiah, and we have 2 types of currency that we can use, which is coin and banknotes. The coin itself ranging from 50 cents until 100 banknotes. The lowest notes is 100 and the highest is 100,000. If you need to exchange your dollar to rupiah, you can come to money changer, which you can find in the shopping area or near your hotel. And now I will tell you about the time of Indonesia. Indonesia have 3 different time zones. Eastern Indonesian time, Central Indonesia time, and West Indonesia time. And now we are at West Indonesia time. Well, that's all from me. In a few minutes, we will arrive at Ritz-Carlton and transfer in has to be ended. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget check your personal belongings and step carefully. We hope you are enjoying your vacation with us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.